So what I use for seasoning to make my chicken wings is this garlic herb and some little bit of parsley and some my Yes So hot pepper sauce, the mustard kind. This is what I use to season my chicken wings. Okay, this is how I make my chicken wings. And I'm just gonna put some on it over here. And then I'm gonna put some Goya, a little bit. And then I'm gonna use some parsley. And then I'm gonna use my Yes So hot pepper sauce. And that will do. Then I'll mix it now. And then come back and show y'all, okay? So it's already mixed now, as you can see. So we're gonna let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then it's gonna go inside the oven on the broil. Okay, it's time to put the chicken wing on the broil inside the oven, okay? It should be on the broil. Seasoned up, ready to go in, okay? Push that bad boy right there and give it 10 to 15 minutes. There we go, it's coming along. You put it on the broil, okay? Okay, so I took it out and then flipped it. And I'm gonna put it back in. You see that? This side is cooked. So I took it out, flipped it. And then I'm gonna put it back in, okay? Right in here. And we should be good to go. Almost done. Next 5 minutes, we'll be good to go. Okay, I got a little bit of salad that I'm gonna make for this chicken wing on the side. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of black pepper on it. What I have here is bell pepper. I have here chicken breast, and I have some carrots for the salad. And then I'm gonna put my extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna use the top right here and drizzle it. And a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt, just a pinch. There goes our salad mix, and I put apple cider vinegar, a little bit of it on the salad. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese on top of it, okay? There goes our salad. Okay, I have my fries over here for the chicken wing. It's almost done. I think it's time to take it out now. There goes our chicken wing recipe. It's done. We got the fries, we got the ketchup, we got the crispy chicken wing, we got the salad on the side. Oh man, you can beat this. It's very easy to make. You could help yourself with it when you're at home. Enjoy with the family. Everything is crisp, baby. Everything is crisp.